You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing names, including Irish names that too many people mispronounce. This is said as Neave. Now you have to note that the Irish spelling for it is more confusing. It's spelled normally N-I-A-M-H. Neave. Neave is how you pronounce it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more, including the original Irish pronunciation for Neave. I'll see you there. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.